Overthinking creates problems that don't exist. Clarity solves them. These affirmations have helped calm my mind, and they'll do the same for you. Stay until the end for our motivational quote, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. I am relaxed. I can quiet my thoughts. I think simply. People appreciate my calmness. Every day I overthink less. Today I find clarity. I am peaceful. I release busy thoughts. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.